This is another way you can prepare your okra soup, and trust me, this is very easy to put together with a taste. Oh my goodness, very delicious. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen. I share easy recipes and you will love it here. Please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. So on the channel we have so many ways we prepare our okra soup here, and you can go through my videos and then you will love them. But today this is the recipe we are going for. I have my okra, I've added some hot water, and I'll just go ahead, allow it to cook, and then we proceed. Thank you so much. Should you want to add akanwa to your okra, baking soda, you can go ahead and then do so, okay? Especially if you want it very slimy or a bit slimy, okay? Yes, that is what I mean. So now I am just going to allow this to be on fire for some time. I have personally have never used akanwa before, okay? Yeah, never. Now I've added my salted fish or salted shark, that is kako. I've added some chopped onions and I'm just going to give that a stir, then we can proceed. This was very delicious, yes, and absolutely good. Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes is the name on all social media platforms, so kindly follow us for more videos. I've added my salted tilapia, okay, that is my Kobe, and I've added some mushrooms. We are just going to give that a stir and then we can continue. If you've watched me till this point, oh my goodness, thank you. It means you like what you are watching. I'll be very grateful if you like the video, you share to others, and then you leave me your comment in the comment section. I did not forget my smoked tuna, and that is the smoked tuna I made at home, okay? So I am just going to give that a stir again and then we can proceed. I needed to change the ladle, okay? You know, earlier I was using the spatula, so this is what I'm using now, because now the soup is plenty and I have to use something that is heavy enough for that, okay? Yes, so that is ladle. Do not call it ladle. Whenever I hear ladle, not me want it to me like I feel some way. We are all learning, okay? Not ladle, ladle. It is not anywhere called ladle. I've added my smoked salmon. That is actually the raw salmon, not mackerel, not the mackerel we call salmon in Ghana. This is salmon ankasa, okay, with skill. I smoked it at home, and that is what I've added to the soup. At this moment the soup looks so good. I'll go ahead and then add my ademe. There's no way I'll prepare my okra without ademe. I can't even eat it, okay? So I believe the one I'm preparing this for will also love it. Now I've added some hot water to it, okay? It speed up the cooking process, and I usually do that because I have a lot of things to do whilst I'm preparing this. I have to attend to another food that is somewhere, so it helps me to finish early. So implement that and it will also help you. If you've watched me to this point and you haven't liked the video, what are you waiting for? Can you please like the video for me? Thank you so much. Now we are going to leave this on fire for some time and I will get back to you. The soup is not that slimy, okay? If you want it slimy, just use your baking soda or akanwa, which I have never used before, but if you use that you will get it slimy, but I don't want it very slimy. Now I will allow this to be on fire and then I will add my other ingredients. What I've added now is my ginger, garlic, and then onion powder. I feel so lazy, not lazy though, but I'm doing a whole lot of things, so to grind pepper or those kind of things I'm feeling lazy, okay? and it will take much of my time, and I just don't want to blend it because that is little. Okay, yes, it's not plenty, so that is why I decided to use the powdered one. Now I've added some whole pepper to it, and that is habanero pepper. I will just allow it to cook, and as you can see, the soup looks so nice. I've added some little oil to that. Okay, that is palm oil I have added. The palm oil I added was my jumi. Okay, you can use the normal palm oil if that is what you want. Okay, yes, so that is what I've added. It is well seasoned, and I've fried it on fire very well before adding it to the soup. Okay, now I am just going to taste for salt if that is okay. I did not add any salt to the soup, anything salt to the soup. Why? Because I have my kako, which is the salted shark, and then the salted tilapia there. So no salt, nothing that contains salt. Okay, I don't add anything that contains salt. Now I've added my dry fish. Okay, I know we call it in the tree community as odwe, something like that. Yeah, so that is what I've added to the soup, but I don't know the English name. Yes, I don't know it. So I've added that to it, and I'm just going to allow it to cook as well. I did not add it early because I didn't want it to scatter. Okay, that is why I added it late. Now if you have any dry fish like your herrings, just add it to it. Our soup looks so good, and it is looking very delicious. I'm going to wait for some few minutes and I will get back to you. If you want short videos like a minute view duration or a minute less than a minute length duration, kindly follow us on all social media platforms, including our YouTube shorts. So our soup is ready. Sorry that thing is shaking. Okay, and I'm ready to serve it in the bowl so that I can just send it to the owner. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning to the end. I'm so grateful. So I come your way again. Please do well to watch our other videos, okay, like what you are seeing on the screen. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and have a peaceful day, night, or afternoon. Bye.